Hey there, everybody. My name is Seth Crawford, and I am the digital and social media intern here at SCHED, the South Central Kansas Economic Development District. Around the beginning of the new year, we oftentimes see an influx in interest in entrepreneurs who are wanting to start their own small businesses. So today we have the pleasure of speaking with Natalie Santanil, who is the Business Resource Program Leader for our Lending Department here at SCHED. Natalie, how are you doing today?
I'm good, Seth. Thank you so much for taking this time and really just giving everyone an opportunity to learn about our loan program and some of the information that we want to share regarding entrepreneurism.
Awesome. Well, this is all important, super cool information. So let's go ahead and jump right in, shall we? Tell us, what did the SCHED lending team accomplish in the year 2021?
So we were really busy. We did about $3 million in dispersed loans. We have about $6 million in undispersed loans as well that are still in progress. Of all of that work that we did, 170 jobs were supported by the SCHED loan program in 2021. So that's just some really great work that those small businesses are out there and stimulating the economy. In addition to job creation, we also were out serving the rural community, female, minority, and veteran entrepreneurs. And as we'll discuss within this presentation, nearly half of our loans were approved for startups. So we get a lot of referrals from the banks for those individuals who are starting. And so really, we've got some really great options for entrepreneurs.
So it sounds like we had great success in the year 2021. So tell me, what does the forecast look like for small businesses in the year 2022?
That's a great question, Seth. So there is no slowdown anticipated. In fact, Intuit, which owns QuickBooks, is forecasting no slowdown. They are estimating 17 million startups in the US. Why? So COVID is really accelerating those interests. People are reprioritizing, where they want to be in their life. In addition, they're just finding those opportunities in the marketplace. I will say, though, when you find that ability to start the business, you've got to have the money, right? So we've got to have some reality checks. Small business loan approval percentages at big banks were only 18.9% approval rate in June of 2021. So again, we are not a competitor to the banks. We serve those individuals unable to gain a traditional loan. So, 80%, right, across the US are going to nonprofit institutions like a SCHED to go and get their funding. If you look further into the information, only 48% of small businesses have their overall financing needs met. And then 36% of small businesses were denied at least some or all of their funding needs. So we definitely have a really great loan program for Kansas entrepreneurs, and we look forward to sharing that information more today.
This is so cool and so helpful and insightful. So now that we know what all SCHED does for small businesses and entrepreneurs, how would an entrepreneur or small business go about finding SCHED?
Yeah, so anyone can really Google us, right? We've got some really great social media channels that Seth will talk about at the end of the presentation. But really, we get a lot of referrals from bankers or people just researching us. And they're calling us wanting to know about our loan program. So I'll just quickly review those now. We've got really three options for entrepreneurs. You've got your microloans that help with entrepreneurs seeking to start a business. Those are $50,000 or less loans. We've also got midsize loans, anywhere from about $75,000 up to $300,000 to assist. And then we've got the SBA 504 commercial loan program that can go up to $5 million. The microloan program assists with a lot of the startup activity in our region. So we get a lot of referrals from banks who are just unable to really help that mom and pop, whether it's a donut shop in Anthony, Kansas, or the purchase of a long-standing small business, which we're hoping to make that announcement soon. Microloan program is a great option for entrepreneurs just seeking that money to purchase a van, inventory, do some construction. There's just all sorts of different ways that entrepreneurs are using this. The microloan program right now serves about 45 counties in Southwest and South Central Kansas. And so this is just a really great program for individuals starting. The Midsize loan program is there for those individuals needing more than just the 50. So this one can go up to 300,000, and it's been a great option, and it's really growing interest for those individuals who maybe are purchasing a franchise or a small business. They need trucks, van, working capital, all that information or all those needs in order to get the business started. So this is a new option that we're having, and it's really growing for entrepreneurs all in the state of Kansas. A lot of individuals are taking use of this in South Central Kansas, but we also have entrepreneurs up in northern and out in the Manhattan area that are leveraging our program. The final program that we have, Seth, is our SBA 504 loan program. The Wichita Business Journal reported that many entrepreneurs are trying to get out of those expensive commercial leases and to try and go and purchase their own commercial real estate. And the 504 program is a hidden gem. It offers low interest, long-term commercial real estate loans for entrepreneurs. We see a lot of manufacturers and all sorts of industries really going towards these loan programs that are just a great option as you try to purchase, expand your business. So the final thing I'll say about our program is, why SCHED? We're unique because, again, we're not a competitor to banks. We are more interested in educating entrepreneurs in the feasibility of their loan, of their business model. After you receive a loan, we also can provide you technical assistance, whether that's from Seth assisting you with your social media, but we also provide all sorts of other types of training: HR, cybersecurity, business continuity, financial literacy. There's just a lot of different ways on how we're equipping entrepreneurs with being stronger within their business. So Seth, earlier you asked me, how can entrepreneurs begin that application process? How can they find us? You're likely going to be referred, whether that's from a bank or one of our partners like the Small Business Development Center or SCORE. And you can contact our office here, and we will begin that discussion on your needs. And we hope that we can help you turn your idea into a reality.
Absolutely so. And if you haven't seen at the bottom, please feel free to follow us on social media on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram, as well as YouTube now that we have that active. On behalf of the team here at SCHED, we want to thank you, and thank you for tuning in. We wish you a happy start to your 2022, and we look forward to hearing from you very, very soon. Take care, everybody.